Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'm thrilled to show you how to find deleted apps on your iPhone, a handy skill for anyone who's ever removed an app and later wanted to track it down. Whether you accidentally deleted an app, cleared some space on your device, or simply can't remember the name of an app you once used, the iPhone makes it easy to locate your previously installed apps. This feature is especially useful if you want to reinstall an app or check your app history without digging through old emails or purchase records. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step through the App Store to find those deleted apps in no time. Let's dive right in. To get started, first open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, click on your profile, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on the profile page, you will find an option labeled Apps. Click on this option. Now, you will see a list of all the apps you have ever installed or that are still present on your iPhone. If you want to find deleted apps, click on the option labeled Not on this iPhone. This will display all the apps you have previously deleted from your iPhone. This is how you can find the deleted apps on your iPhone. Thank you, everyone.